Hey guys, as promised, we are doing more fun colors using As I Am Curl Color. And I started off with freshly washed hair, and I used As I Am co-wash and conditioner. I have some gloves, and this is the color we're going to start off with first. I'm not going to lie, I was not too pleased once I first applied this color. I just thought it was just like, oh, it is just dull. But you know what? Once it dried, it definitely gave what it was supposed to give. Now in this video, I will not be going piece by piece like I did with the cool blue, because I wanted to get and focus on the style more than applying the color in this video. So as you can see here,
go to market, go to market, go to market, go.
it gave what it was supposed to give. Okay, look at me shaking what my mama gave me. Hey, 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 shake what your mama gave ya. Hey, hey, hey. Okay, so now I want to show you guys how you can easily clean this off your face, clean this off your shirt, clean it off around your edges and all of that stuff, all your imperfections. Okay, you get what I'm saying. And so now I'm just showing you guys a close-up of what it looks like. I mean, this like really defined my curls. Like it really like, I don't know, like I just love this, you know, and it's really fun. Look at that, zooming in and zooming out and zooming in, hey, and zooming out. Oh, zooming in and zooming out. Okay, so now we are going to get into the styling, but before I just kind of felt like the hair was just a little too wet, so I went in and I grabbed my blow dryer and I just kind of like dried it on cool.
Get crunk with it, now get crunk with it, now get crunk with it, now get crunk with it, not pop with it, 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 pop with it. Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead.
Okay, y'all, I'm back. Let's be serious. Okay, so now here I am just trying to see how it's going to look. I really couldn't like figure this out. As simple as this style was, like I was like scared that I was gonna mess up, and I was like, freaking the freak. But I was like, get it yourself together, girl. Okay, get it together. Okay, so I did use gel just a little bit to kind of like sleek those edges, and voila, I got it together. Okay, it was like, girl, it's just two ponytails, like do it. Okay, like CiCiDash. When you say CC, don't forget the dash. Look at that. Okay, I was trying to get thumbnails, I think. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. This is the end of the video. Let me know what colors you guys want to see next, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Time to leave.
This is not a test, it's the real deal. Help me! Help me!
You say CC, don't forget the dash.